the macOS development team, and I am going to walk through Google API and scope that we are using in our application, the MA Compliance Cloud One in our Mango Health Cloud Server. Now let me log in with Google SSO. This is the client ID that we are using in our Health Cloud Server. So this is the permission pop-up. View your email message and settings. See, edit, create and delete all of your Google Drive files. View events on your calendar. See and download any calendar you can access using your Google Calendar. Now let me allow it. After allowing, it will redirect to macOS portal, where we can see three different widgets: Gmail, Google Calendar and Google Drive, where we are using the ask permission and scope date. So if we talk about first Gmail, in Gmail we have three different tabs: inbox, send and draft, where we are showing user, authenticate user, inbox data, send data and draft data. If we talk about any particular email, we saw user email ID, who sent a mail, title of mail and the content of mail. And the content of mail come as per the setting in set properties in edit mode. So we have some content preview where we can set the content limit. So the content limit is 500 currently. So it is showing the content up to 500 character, and after that it will truncate that content. If we click on any specific mail, it will open mail.google.com in new tab and open that specific mail to authenticate user. We have search option. We can search any mail from here. We have compose option. We can, by clicking on it, it will open mail.google.com in new tab and open the compose box to authenticate user. And we have view emails link. While clicking on it, it will open mail.google.com in new tab. So this was about Gmail. Now let me talk about Google Drive. In Google Drive widget, we saw all folders and files of authenticate user. So if we talk about the data, we saw here the last update time and the file name or folder name. If I click on a specific file, it will open that file in new tab, and if I click on any specific folder, it will fetch all associated subfolder and files and upload on Google Drive widget. Here we have search option. We can search any file and folder from here. We have new file option. By clicking on it, it will open drive.google.com in new tab where we can create a new file. We have a sorting based on last name and name. And if I talk about edit mode of this widget, set properties, we have option my drive. While click on it, it will open up my drive pop-up where we can see, we can list all the root hierarchy, and based on the selection here, it will plot the folder and file in Google Drive widget. We have option new folder. We can create new folder from here. Let me create the folder test1. The folder is coming here. So this was about Google Drive. Now moving to last one, Google Calendar widget. So we'll start from set properties. In set properties, we have option add calendar. While clicking on it, it will open a pop-up where you can see all the authenticate user Google calendars, and based on the selection here, the events plot on Google Calendar widget. Let me change the calendar view. So I am moving to month view. We can see all the holidays and event coming from selected calendars, and if I will hover any particular event, it will open a pop-up and here we can see the event detail like title, time, and the username. So this was about Google Calendar, and this was from my side. Thank you very much.